Hi, I'm Patrick Hamilton and I'm the Director of Global Change Initiatives at the Science Museum of Minnesota. I'm sitting on the edge of a new environmental demonstration project located in our outdoor space between the Science Museum itself and the Mississippi River. This is a bare-root tree gravel bed, and it was built by the nonprofit Mississippi Park Connection with the support of the groundskeeping team here at the Science Museum of Minnesota. Here's the situation. Our forests are under stress. Our urban forests, our floodplain forests, and we're in need of planting a lot of trees very quickly. But trees can be very expensive. But tree plantations are able to produce large quantities of bare-root trees very inexpensively. But as the name implies, they have very few roots. So here's what we do. We take those bare-root trees and we bury them in several inches of gravel, and we keep them well watered all summer long. And then come September, we carefully pull them out of the gravel, and by then they've developed a nice, dense, thick set of roots, which allow them to tolerate the shock of transplanting much better. Future generations will be very pleased at the foresight that we're exercising today to get a lot of trees in the ground quickly now. Thank you for watching Specimen Spotlight, and I hope to see you back at the Science Museum real soon.